best ever toy TV here. These are the new cars coming in the Diecast community. First up, the schedule for the RLC exclusive cars. On August 20, the 72 Datsun will be out. September 3, the Porsche 964. September 10, 2017 Ford Raptor. September 17, the Honda S2000. Better check that one out. And here are the new Hot Wheels here. Dodge Macho Power Wagon and the 70 Olds 442 Real Riders. And they are both looking good. And check out the new Skyline 2000 GTX in blue with camo. What a lovely casting that is. Of course, the Skyline is a very famous casting. A lot of hoarders, scalpers will be getting their hands on these cars. Check out some more pictures here. Fantastic details. And this is the set. Nissan Skyline, Honda Civic Type R, Ford Shelby, Camaro SS, and the El Camino. 5 cars in this set. And this is, of course, the new 98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version. Check that one out. It looks really sweet. And this is the new red Porsche 944 from Hot Wheels. Take a look at this red Porsche here. Fantastic details, although no tempo on the headlights, but in the rear lights it has details. Check that one out. Fantastic casting, of course. I collect Porsche and I'll get this one if I can find this in store. Hopefully I can find this one when it comes out. Again, this is the unpainted version, and this is the Nissan D21 custom pickup. Check that one out. What a sweet lowrider right there. Nissan, I believe this is also called a Hardbody. Nissan Hardbody pickup, rubber tires, and what a lovely shade of blue right there for the paint job. Details everywhere. Fantastic car. I will definitely be getting this one. I hope you guys also love this car. Fantastic. JDM pickup. Speaking of JDM, another JDM here from the Fast and Furious Premium Series. Mazda RX-3. Check that one out. Metal base, rubber tires, all metal here. And this is a new from the mainline. This is the new recolor of the Dodge Challenger. Check that one out. Of course, this casting has that big spoiler right there at the back. And from Majorette here, these are the new cars coming first in Australia. Check that one out. See here the Toyota Corolla and the Hi-Ace, and this is part of the Deluxe Premium, the Land Rover. Not just one opening parts, but the door opens too. So the hood, the doors open. Check that one out. And take a look at this sweet custom set here. These are not official Hot Wheels set, but custom. Datsun right there, AE86 Corolla, and the Nissan Skyline. And if you collect Entertainment Series cars, check this one out from the Ninja Turtle series. We have 4 cars. Well, Ninja Turtles, of course, Leonardo, Michelangelo, and the rest of the gang. And this is another picture right there of the exclusive Datsun 510, exclusive from the display set right there. And this is the 2020 Hot Wheels Super Treasure Hunt Ford GT40. What a lovely casting. Now I hope I can get my hands on this one. This is just a sweet GT40 here. Wow, amazing paint job. Metallic blue right there. Orange racing stripes, fantastic. Metal everywhere and rubber tires. Wow, what a sweet. That is just awesome right there. One of the best supers. And check out the latest mainlines from Hot Wheels, of course. We've presented this one a lot of times, but these cars just look good, especially the Bugatti Chiron, the green Mazda RX-7. They're very beautiful castings. And this is the exclusive Datsun 510 wagon. Moon eyes, yellow, black, with some flames too. What a sweet Datsun 510 wagon. Wow, just sweet right there. I hope we can get this on hands, as I can sense that the JDM hype is getting a little bit low right now. JDM is pretty easy to get right now compared to the previous months or previous year. And this is the Jaguar Team Transport series from the the new Team Transport series. This is the Jaguar right here, and white and green, typical Jaguar color here. That shade of green, typical Jaguar green. Sweet right there. Those of you who collect classic castings, classic cars, this one is for you. Of course, again, these are premium cars, so they have rubber tires. Some more pictures, and this is from the mainline for 2020, the recolor of the Roger Dodger. For those of you who collect cars with blown engine like me, that is a sweet ride. And here's from the Fast and Furious series. Check this one out. This is the Subaru WRX STI. Sweet. Next up, we have the Mercedes-Benz G-Class, the second car from the set. This set, by the way, has 5 cars all in all. And this is the all-black Land Rover Defender 110 hardtop. Check that one out. That is a sweet Land Rover. This is probably the one that I will be getting in this set. And this is the Camaro. Sweet, but I don't collect Camaros. Sorry for you guys out there who collect Camaros, but I will be leaving that one behind. This is the Hummer H1, the 5th car out of the set, in brown. So for me, I'll just be collecting the Mercedes-Benz right there. Oh, not the Mercedes-Benz, but the Land Rover. And from the Desert Rally series, car culture, premium cars here, rubber tires. This is the Ford Raptor here. This is a sweet one. And check this one out too. Jeep Cherokee. Sweet, right? Big tires right there. Oldsmobile 442 in red with yellow tampos. Lifted up Oldsmobile, not my thing, but still looks sweet. Here's the Volkswagen Baja. This is a Beetle. Check that one out. It has a roof rack. Pretty neat details. A tire is also included in the roof rack. Here's the Dodge Macho Power Wagon. Check this one out. So for me right there, the Baja Beetle and the Power Wagon will be the one to get in this set. Check out again the 5 cars in the set. Oldsmobile 442, Dodge Macho Power Wagon, Jeep Cherokee, Ford Raptor, and the Baja Beetle. And from Tomica here, these are the new cars coming up here in the Philippines, priced at 249 pesos each. Check them out. Nissan Skyline GTR, Toyota Supra, and some more. And here are some more new premium from Tomica. This is the Ferrari F40 with opening parts. Check that one out. Amazing details on the engine bay. I will definitely be getting this one. Hopefully I can buy this at the right price so that I can show you guys in the video how this one looks. And this is the blue variant. Check that one out. Amazing detail. Same stuff but different paint job. And here is the new Ford Raptor here in silver. and you can check that one out. The one released right now is the yellow one. And here's the new RWB Porsche coming up soon. This is a premium car, of course, with premium price tag. It comes with an acrylic case. This will be really expensive here if ever we can get our hands in the this RWB Porsche, hopefully. And new car culture team transport series cars here. This is the Porsche right now in purple. Check that one out. So Porsche has a lot of great castings right now. This is probably the next hype, if I'm not if I am correct. Check that one out. Some more images. This is from the hauler right there here, with of course purple theme, and some more cars. Mazda 787B and the Plymouth Superbird, part of the Team Transport Car Culture series, the new ones. So those are the cars from Hot Wheels Majorette Tomica. A lot of them are really good. Hopefully we can buy them, we can get our hands on them. And I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a long video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Best Ever Toy TV, for more stuff like this. Hope to see you soon, guys. Bye bye, peace out, enjoy the rest of the day.